Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Id.3 Pro 150 kW Id.3 Life 58 kW H5 Door Auto. This sleek electric estate comes fully loaded with top-notch features for comfort, safety and convenience. From its heated washers to smart card entry, this car has it all. With advanced safety features like collision avoidance braking and pedestrian warning systems, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, the vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit our website www.aureliansons.ie for more information.